Hello, my name is Lizzie from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Renault Arkana 1.6 E-Tech engineered. Now, this vehicle is a petrol hybrid with an automatic transmission, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Zanzibar blue. To start off with then, you have your full LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the Zanzibar blue exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring that any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your boot space, where you can see you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the leather and suede upholstery finished in black. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, so you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 17,728 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey that you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. As well as this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what, along with your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Along with park assist, which can help you park into those difficult parking situations or perhaps move off from them. This has been a presentation on a Renault Arkana 1.6 E-Tech engineered that's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.